I found a little tucked in spot off of Horsethief Forest Service Road back in the middle of the mountains. Can't drive up here, I had to walk up here. Coming up over here is the Columbia River. In the distance is a bridge I'm going to be crossing to get back into Radium. This there is Canpar or Can4, whatever, the wood mill. Over beyond there is Radium Village. Continuing to Columbia River. Hell of a view, hell of a spot. Hot, very hot. Anyways, I'm almost done here. Look at that.